How to unblock Snapchat on School Chromebook. Now, there are only two things that I can show you right now that's going to be around 80 to 90% will work. Now, I'm not going to assure you that this is going to be 100% working for all the School Chromebook that you have. So first things first is just go directly to any reliable proxy sites that you can use. For example, you can try pyproxy.com, and then in here you can go ahead and sign up with a free account. Once you have successfully created an account, all you have to do is just to copy the URL from Snapchat web and then just simply paste it on your proxy site. You should be able to then access it without any problem. The other thing that you do is just to simply disabling or enabling your third-party cookies from your school Chromebook browser. Heading on the three dots, going directly to the settings, and then in here just heading directly to privacy and security, and then third-party cookies. Now, this is like a specific glitch that you can try to attempt to do. All I have to do is turn it off, refresh the page from directly to Snapchat, and sometimes it works and sometimes it won't. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to unblock Snapchat from School Chromebook.